I'm really back to a healthier, more modern weight regimen than I did when I was playing football in college. Strength and endurance-wise, stamina-wise, I'm close to where I was in my 20s. All of this has been because of my preparation and my ability to overcome this physical challenge that I had 5 years ago. And you know, I'm so grateful that I fought back. And this has been the time of my life. So, you know, for all those people out there with young men, young women who they want to enjoy life with, this is a recipe to try to re-engage with your kids before it's too late and they're gone forever as adults with their own lives. You know, this is the period of time we have where I was able to celebrate my time with my kids. And I'm not someone who's going to subscribe to you know, shrivel up and die as we get older. I don't want that for myself. I don't believe in that, and I want to try to teach other people how to achieve more. All I know is the entire symphony of things that I did for myself has dramatically changed my outlook and dramatically changed my functional capacity and performance. So, you know, I don't feel many limitations now. I have this little red light that says, okay, you know, whatever you think you want to do, drop it by 10% and go for it. But I do have a little check there. But, you know, I think I want to be crystal clear that this is one optimization strategy, but it's not a magic bullet. We're trying to encourage the whole package. We're trying to encourage mobility training, flexibility training, strength training, resistance training, aerobic conditioning. We're trying to create a healthier breed of Americans in this time of pessimism about American healthcare. And it plays a very significant role towards that cultural shift.